Hello guys, here's Alan from ESA. Today I'm coming to Guangzhou Womala Auto Parts Limited Corporation for visit their company. Our company was specializing in the Volvo whole car parts for 12 years, which is strictly in terms of Volvo whole car parts for manufacturing high quality and reliable products. And now let's follow Sarah, the foreign sales staff of our company, to see what products that our company has. Hello Sarah.
Hello, Alan. Hello, everyone. This is Sarah from Guangzhou Womala Auto Parts Company.
So Sarah, can you talk about this product and show me more details to us?
Yeah, sure. This is shock absorber. This is our wholesale items. And we use automatic equipment to strictly monitor the production process to ensure product quality. The shock absorber has excellent temperature performance and is suitable for normal use of vehicles in different regions and different climatic conditions.
So Sarah, hearing of what you said, we all know that how valuable of our shock absorber, right? So could you please introduce this product to us? Are there any advanced technology that you can share with us?
Yeah, these are our control arms for different models. For the carriers, we continue to carry out the product and the technology research and development with more than 30 technical personnel. At the same time, we use advanced software to ensure the product quality. Finally, we changed the original steel casting into bronze aluminum parts, reducing the length of the way, achieving the purpose of the life way.
As far as we all know, quality control is very important in this industry, right? So could you please introduce these materials and elaborate on it more clearly?
Yeah, Alan, I want to introduce our wholesale items, the fuel pump with high OEM quality. The model adopts all in line with the original performance standards of the material, experimental life of more than 10,000 hours, and the brackets use high quality OEM material imported from Korea and Japan.
So thanks for your introduction, Sarah. And the next part, I will show you more details of other products.
The chassis part system includes 4 parts. Let me illustrate it one by one. The suspension system includes shock, control arm, and slowdown. The gearbox systems include gearbox, oil cell, and filter, drive shaft. The steering system includes inner and outer tie rose ends, rack end, steering pump. The brake system includes brake pads, discs, hose pipe, ABS sensors. The engine system includes A parts. The cooling system includes pipe, radiator, expansion tank, alternator, and electronic fans. The crankshaft link system includes crankshaft, piston, repair kit. The timing system includes timing kit, crankshaft pulley. The charger system includes turbocharger. The ignition system includes ignition coil, spark plug. The fuel system includes fuel pump. The electronic system includes field pressure sensor, oxygen sensor, and rear mirror. Another key point that I want to mention is we can offer original Volvo parts, domestic parts, original factory supporting OEM accessories, and other brand accessories. It will meet your different requirements. Furthermore, we have 18-month warranty for our brand Womala, so you can trust our goods quality. By the way, if you have any inquiry, please feel free to contact us anytime. Thank you.
Ether.com. Make global trade easier.